Hello, how are you? Welcome to a new installment of your Pharmacy Assistant. On this occasion, we would talk about what it is used for and how it is used. So, let's take a look.
Hey everyone, how are you doing? Today we're going to talk about Festomar, a medicine that combines doxylamine and pyridoxine, or vitamin B6, to fight nausea and vomiting during pregnancy. If you're pregnant and suffering from really bad morning sickness, and you've already tried other things that haven't worked, Festomar might be a good choice for you. That said, you should always talk to your doctor before you start taking it. So how does Festomar work? Well, Doxylamine is an antihistamine that reduces nausea, while vitamin B6 helps your body function properly. Together, they make a great team for relieving discomfort. Regarding the dose, it's super important that you follow your doctor's instructions exactly. Normally, the starting dose is 2 pills at bedtime. If needed, it can be increased little by little up to a maximum of 4 pills a day. But remember, never take more than your doctor has told you to. Like any medicine, Festomar can have some side effects. The most common are drowsiness, dry mouth, and dizziness. If you notice any side effects that are more serious or worry you, don't hesitate to contact your doctor right away. And one last reminder, Festomar is not right for all pregnant women. Before you start taking it, be sure to talk to your doctor so they can advise you on the best option for you. In short, if nausea is making your life impossible and other remedies aren't working for you, Festomar can be a good tool to help you. That said, always follow your doctor's instructions and pay attention to any side effects you may notice. I hope this information has been helpful. Take good care and see you soon.
If you've made it this far, let us know in the comments why you're using this medicine.